Do you think your family's competitive? Watch this. A family reunion moment.
Some games never get old, especially when it comes to family reunions. There's just something about gathering everyone together, young and old, and letting the good times roll. No matter how big your family gets or how many generations show up, there's always a way to bring everyone together with a little friendly competition. You can't spell reunion without a little rivalry. Whether it's a heated game of spades, dominoes, or even a classic board game, these moments spark laughter and memories that last for years. And don't forget the outdoor games, tug-of-war, sack races, or even a three-legged race can get everyone moving and laughing, from the youngest cousin to the oldest aunt. The best part isn't who wins, it's who laughs the loudest, who cheers the hardest, and who makes the memories you'll talk about at the next reunion. So grab your game pieces, gather your team, and let the fun begin. Now, every family's got their go-to games. These are the games that bring everyone together, from the youngest to the oldest, creating memories that last a lifetime. Maybe it's the card table where the serious faces come out as everyone tries to outsmart each other in a friendly battle of wits. The tension builds, but so does the laughter. Or perhaps it's the domino slam that echoes across the park, a sound that signals both victory and defeat, but always in good spirit. The thrill of the game is infectious. Maybe it's the relay race that turns into a full-blown family Olympics, where everyone, young and old, gets a chance to shine. The cheers and encouragement echo through the park, creating a symphony of joy. And after the games, it's time to gather around, share stories, and enjoy some snacks. These moments of togetherness are what make family reunions truly special. It's not just about the games, but the bonds we strengthen and the love we share. But here's the secret sauce. Mix the ages up. When you bring together everyone from the youngest kids to the oldest grandparents, you're not just playing games, you're creating memories that last a lifetime. Put grandma on the balloon toss team with her grandkids. Suddenly, it's not just about winning, it's about giggles, teamwork, and those hilarious moments when the balloon goes flying in the wrong direction. Have Uncle Joe run that three-legged race with the youngest cousin. Watch the magic happen as they stumble, laugh, and cheer each other on. It's these moments that everyone will talk about for years to come. Because when generations play together, you don't just build teams, you build bonds. The high fives, the hugs, and the shared victories bring everyone closer. And let's be real, somebody's gonna start talking smack, because every family's got that one person who thinks they're undefeated. The playful teasing and friendly competition are what make these games unforgettable. That's part of the fun. The cheers, the laughter, and even the groans when someone misses an easy shot, it's all part of the experience. You'll see laughter, a few fake protests, and a whole lot of love wrapped up in competition. These are the moments that turn a simple family reunion into a cherished tradition year after year. Don't forget the camera crew, or at least a cousin with a phone. Every family reunion deserves a dedicated memory catcher, someone ready to capture all the laughter, the action, and those unexpected moments that make your gathering unique. Make sure to film the big splash, the high fives, and the playful trash talk. These are the moments you'll want to relive, and they're the ones that bring everyone together, no matter their age. Later, gather everyone around for a family slideshow or home video night. Watching those clips together is a tradition in itself, sparking stories and laughter that last long after the games are over. Want to make things even more memorable? Create a family game trophy, something simple, homemade, and legendary. Let everyone pitch in decorating it, so it truly represents your family's spirit. Each year, the winning team gets to sign their names on the trophy, adding a new chapter to your family's story. Over time, that trophy becomes a cherished keepsake, filled with signatures, dates, and memories, a symbol of all the fun you've shared and the stories you'll keep telling for years to come. As the sun sets and the park grows quiet, you might notice the laughter fading into the evening air. The games themselves may be over for the day, but what really lingers is something much more meaningful. The joy, the inside jokes, and those playful bragging rights, those don't just disappear when everyone packs up and heads home. Instead, they become stories that get retold at every family gathering, memories that spark smiles years down the line. Maybe it's the time Grandma surprised everyone with her hidden talent, or when the youngest cousin finally scored a win. These moments turn into family legends, connecting generations in ways that go far beyond the scoreboard. The games are fun, sure, and the trophies might look nice on a shelf for a while, but it's the shared laughter, the teamwork, and the friendly competition that truly last. Long after the park is empty and the sun has set, it's those memories that stick with us, reminding us why we come together year after year.